Namaste, Nishikant ji.
Namaste.
So I heard that you are coming to Hong Kong for the second time. So what difference you see now compared to what you
Earlier.
Yeah.
Well, earlier had come, that was just a friendly visit and a
Okay.
small concert. But this time we were invited by Swik Mackey
Okay, right.
and my colleague, my friend Parthu Sarthi. We both have performed earlier. We are on a tour, so Singapore, Kuala Lumpur, and today
Yes.
it was Hong Kong. It was a very good experience, especially the first part of it. Like we had two concerts, yesterday one, today one. So the first part was like in the Hong Kong University, and we were very happy and impressed with the small kind of a hall, which was not that small but yet compact, good sound, and moreover, important thing, the listeners they were quite keen and taking interest, and they were relaxed, receptive. So that made us play a little bit out of our heart also. And today we had in a school called Clean Water Bay School.
Clear water.
Clear Water Bay School, yeah. That was an amazing experience. Of course, where we were in a school of, where the children were from standard 2nd to 5th, I think, like, 7th year boys and girls. They were very loving, very, eager to know. They were like taking interest and asking questions. So that interaction, whatever little newness they saw with the instruments like sarod and tabla, they were glad, they were happy to, even if it's like not so much widely spread yet everywhere. But we felt very happy because that, to pass some kind of a message,
Right.
or at least the taste of Indian culture, the traditional Hindustani or the classical music, we try to reach to this young hearts, the
That's
pure
right.
souls. That makes us really happy.
That is right.
Yeah.
So when you performed, were they listening or still playing, or how was that the children?
Well, it was their first go, so it was like a, we didn't make it too like serious or too heavy.
Yeah, just that's what.
It would have been a big cultural attack on them. So,
Yeah, that's
because
right.
they're very young, tender minds, so we played a little playful things for them and a
that's
little
right.
bit of the rag and tals. We explained them,
That's
and
good.
that they took interest in.
Is it?
That was
Okay,
really
good,
nice.
good.
Yeah.
So you were a teacher in actually India, tabla teacher, or what do you, teach in Puttaparthi?
I am teaching tabla in the college in Puttaparthi and in the Sri Satya Sai Baba's. The name of the college is Sri Satya Sai Mirpuri College of Music,
Oh, is it?
Puttaparthi.
Okay.
Yeah. So that is a great privilege for me to be there.
So you are doing it for adults over there, right? Or youth are over there?
Mostly youth.
Youth. So
Yeah.
here it is small children.
Small children. Yeah,
So
but
it's a drastic
we have
difference.
been doing this for many years. And
Okay.
I've been associated with Swik Mackey for like last 15 years at least. Yeah.
Okay. So you have taught the small children like this, or
Yes,
demonstrated
yes.
something for the small children already. Okay. Good. Nice to hear that, sir. Actually. So actually, I want to tell you that we are doing an Indian instrumental dhamaka, a program on Indian instruments here, and we played some of the instruments this time, and maybe we'll come up with one more with more instruments because we have lot of instruments.
Oh, that's
So I thought I'll take all your wishes so that our program will be successful and we'll take forward actually.
Sure. So that's a very good venture. Whatever little help we can do back from there. But it's a very good adventure, and especially with the kids.
Yeah.
When you come across and present them in this kind of a way where they can enjoy, and
That's right.
it's more informative also. See, only information won't help.
That's right.
Information has to have some kind of a, as you said, dhamaka, but a little bit masala.
Yeah, that is
but that
right.
masala should be pure, up to
that is
the
right.
balance,
Yeah.
keeping the intricacies and the
Yes.
disciplines together.
That is right.
Then it's fine. It's,
Yeah, actually this is presented by all the students only, and we play all the maybe the maestro's music only. So
Yeah.
anyway, at least let them have the feel. That is what we
Sure.
wanted to do.
Yeah.
Then thank you very much for the
Thank you
wishes,
so
and
much.
we will follow what your advice is. Actually,
My pleasure.
thank you very much.
Thank
sir.
you so
Thank you
much.
very much. Thank you.